9th class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today we discuss the rule of present continuous tense. Dear student, in previous classes you have already studied of simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. And now today our topic is present continuous tense. Student, present continuous is a tense that we discuss the action that happening continuously. जो एक्शन जो है वह कंटिन्यू रहता है, उसको जब डिस्कस करना होता है तो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस के थ्रू हम लोग उसको ट्रांसलेट करते हैं. Now the present continuous tense further divided in 4 types. First type is affirmative sentence, second type is negative sentence, third type is interrogative sentence, and fourth type is interrogative negative sentence. Student, now we discuss the affirmative sentence. Student, this is the very simple rule. When you study these rules, it is very clear and you also understand well when you study these rules. Now we discuss about the first rule of affirmative sentence. First, we write subject of the sentence. Then, according to subject, we write is, am, are. Then, verb, first form plus ing plus object and plus other verb. Student, there is the note where we use is, where we use am, and where we use are. These are the rules by which we can understand very well. First, if the subject is he, she, it, any name or singular subject, then we use is. अगर सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे ही आता है, सी आता है, इट आता है या कोई नेम आता है या कोई सिंगल सब्जेक्ट आता है तो उसके साथ हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं? इज यूज करते हैं. एंड व्हेन द सब्जेक्ट एज आई, जब सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे आई का यूज हो तो उसके साथ हम लोग एम यूज करते हैं. एंड व्हेन द subject as a you, we, they or any plural subject, then we use are. अगर you subject के रूप में आता है और we आता है या they आता है या कोई plural subject आता है उसके साथ हम लोग are का यूज करते हैं. Okay student, I think you clearly understand these rules. Okay, now we understand with the help of some examples. First example is he is writing an essay. He is the subject and is a helping verb and writing verb का ing form and an essay. Now sentence is he is writing an essay. Now second rule. Example. I am playing cricket. I is the subject, am is the helping verb and playing is the ing form of verb and cricket is the object. Now sentence is I am playing cricket. Now third example is you are singing a song. You is the subject, and I also noted that when you use you, then we use are in the form of helping verb. So we use are, and then singing is the ing form of verb, and then a song, object. Now we discuss the rule of negative sentence. Negative sentence, I have told you, I taught you earlier what is negative sentence. When we talk about a negative sense, that sentence is known as negative sentence. Student, rule of negative sentence is first we write subject, then according to subject we have to write is, am, are. Then not plus verb ka ing form plus object plus other one. Now we discuss with the help of some examples. Now first example is I am not playing badminton. Student, I is the subject, am is the helping verb. Then if there is a negative sentence we use not. Then playing, ing form of the verb, and then badminton. Badminton is the object. Then sentence is I am not playing badminton. Okay, student? Now second example is you are not singing a song. You is the subject, are is the helping verb, not, there is a negative sentence, therefore we will use not. Then singing is the ing form of the verb, and then a song. Therefore the sentence is you are not singing a song. Okay, student, this is the rule of affirmative and negative sentence. Now we discuss the rule of interrogative and interrogative negative sentence. Okay, चलिए ready. Hello student, welcome back to the next rule of interrogative sentence and interrogative negative sentence. Dear student, you have already learned about the rule of simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. And if you saw these rules, this is very simple to understand. It is a very simple way to understand these rules and also learn the rule also. Okay? Now we discuss one by one all rules in a sequence manner. First rule is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences you learned earlier in the first chapter that what is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence are those sentences that are used to ask the question. Okay? That sentence is known as interrogative sentence. And there is the first type of interrogative sentence is yes/no type interrogative sentence. Yes/no type of interrogative sentence are those sentences that we can give the answer with yes or no. That type of sentences is known as yes/no type interrogative sentences. And the formation of rule of yes/no type of interrogative sentences is, first of all, we write is, am, are. According to subject, सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग इज लिखते हैं या एम लिखते हैं या आर लिखते हैं। देन वर्ब का आईएनजी फॉर्म लिखते हैं, देन ऑब्जेक्ट, देन एक्सेट्रा, एंड एट लास्ट देयर इज द क्वेश्चन मार्क करते हैं। क्वेश्चन मार्क को राइट करते हैं लास्ट में। सो द एग्जांपल ऑफ yes no type of interrogative sentence is she buying a new car? In this sentence the subject is she, and when subject is she, I discussed in the previous video that if the subject is she then we use is। अगर subject she होता है तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब की जगह पे हम लोग is का यूज करते हैं। Then buying is the ing form of verb, and then a new car is a object. Then sentence is she buying a new car, and at last question mark करते हैं। Okay? Then second type of interrogative is WH question type interrogative sentences. Dear student, WH type of interrogative sentences are those sentences that start with WH question word like what, when, why, how, where. These are the WH question word, and if there is the WH question word, then the rule of WH question type interrogative sentences is firstly we write WH question word, then according to subject we should write is एम आर। इस सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग, जो सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग होता है उसके साथ हम लोग इज या एम या आर लिखते हैं। उसके बाद सब्जेक्ट, फिर वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म में प्लस आईएनजी उसमें ऐड करते हैं, देन ऑब्जेक्ट, देन एक्सेट्रा, एंड एट लास्ट क्वेश्चन मार्क। सो example of WH type question is why are you selling your old car? Why is the WH question word, and there is the you in the form of subject. When we use you then we use are। you के साथ हमेशा हम लोग are का यूज करेंगे। Now verb in ing form selling, and your old car is the object, and then question mark is there। Okay student, I think you learn these rules very simple way, and now at last interrogative negative sentences. Interrogative negative sentences are those sentences that are both interrogative and negative. Both are interrogative and negative are there, then that sentences is known as interrogative negative sentences. And rule for yes no type of interrogative sentences is first we write is MR according to subject, subject के according या तो is लिखते हैं या तो am लिखते हैं और नहीं तो are लिखते हैं। Then not is there, not को राइट करते हैं, then verb का ing form, then object, then other word और then question mark। And example of yes no type question is Ram not singing a song? Is Ram not singing a song? It is a type of interrogative negative of yes no type question. And next is WH. Rule of WH question word plus is, am, are plus subject plus noun plus verb का ing form plus object plus other word and at last question mark. And example of WH question interrogative negative sentence is why are you not playing cricket? If why is the WH question word, R is the helping verb because you is there. When you use you, then R is used. Then not plus ing verb का ing form plus object cricket. Then question mark. So student, these are the rules of present continuous tense of interrogative and interrogative negative sentence. I hope you learn these rules, and after that I give you exercise depending on these rules. Thank you. Have a nice day.